Well, as you may already know, Dr. Kiza Besigye has been charged with extra amendment of treason on the cases under the military court-martial, which the trials are already proceeding. Kiza Besigye's legal battle is one of the most staggering thing which is on the minds of most Ugandans. People are wondering, how will it end? But then, the question of treachery. What is treachery? So, in this video, we are going to take you through treachery, which is a penalty, which it is a case or a charge that can lead to death penalty. Here are the 8 questions on treachery. Answer.
What is treachery under Ugandan law?
Treachery is an offense under the National Defense, that is Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, UPDF, of 2005, which involves conniving with enemies or attempts to overthrow the government. So it is under the UPDF Act of 2005.
Where is treachery defined in Ugandan law?
Well, treachery is defined under Section 129 of the UPDF Act of 2005, which outlines offenses related to national security threats and or military interferences involving conniving with the enemies. So it comes under Section 129 of the UPDF Act of 2005.
What are the penalties for treachery in Uganda?
A person convicted with treachery under the UPDF Act of 2005 can face life imprisonment or, under extreme case, death penalty. This depends on the severity of the offense committed by the person, and it is determined by the legal practitioners.
Can a civilian be charged with treachery in Uganda?
Yes, and civilians have been tried. In this case, in military courts, especially under politically sensitive cases. But then in 2025, the Chief Justice, Alfonso Winjolo, who led the Supreme Court has ruled that civilians should not be tried under military court-martials. Now this makes it illegal. But then the president still says the thing should continue. And Kiza Besigye is an example of a person being tried. And still, the UPDF and the president insist he will continue being tried under military court.
Who has the authority to prosecute treachery cases?
Before the 2025 Supreme Court ruling, treachery was being tried under military court. But now, after the ruling, it becomes unconstitutional and should be tried in the civilian court. Mark the key word, should. But then the question comes to, will it happen, since the UPDF and the president have rejected? That's a question for the viewers. Let me know in the comment section.
What are the examples of treachery cases in Uganda?
Well, may not know the specific examples, but according to various sources, several political and journalists have been tried under on this offense. But many people have criticized it as a tool to oppress political dissent in Uganda.
Can someone accused of treachery be granted bail?
Yes, but treachery is a very serious offense, and often bail is denied, or it is granted under strict confinement or restrictions due to national security concern.
What is the difference between treachery and treason in Uganda?
Well, under the UPDF Act of Uganda, treachery is collaborating with enemies or compromising security, while treason is attempting to overthrow the government or waging war against Uganda. So that is all about this vlog. That's what is already in black and white on treachery that you need to know. And yes, if you subscribe, you will keep getting related contents on Acholi High TV. Thank you.